Buongiorno and welcome to another episode of Marco Median in Nature. Today we're gonna talk about, you already know. No, I wanna talk about yesterday demonstration that took place in London. First we went to Waterloo Station, then down to Parliament Square, and then Downing Street, and then all South Bank, and all the way back to Parliament Square again. Parliament Square, you will all know, is a square, that's clear, in front of the House of Parliament. Downing Street is the street where the Prime Minister of United Kingdom lives. The demonstration was about, you all know, anti-lockdown, there is no fucking pandemic. Actually, yesterday, for the first time, I heard a scientist saying the virus has not yet been identified. You might think it's crazy. I'm not surprised by anything anymore. So it went quite well. There was in total throughout the whole, I think, 6 hours, at least 100 people there. We weren't thousands like Black Lives Matter, but we are getting there. Of course, we weren't destroying statues or throwing gasoline at police officer. We didn't burn any building, like not even one. We didn't even shout, saying slogans out loud, but not in an aggressive way. But the best part, there is a speech I made in Parliament Square. It's online, it's on my channels, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. You choose the one you like the most. And the best moment of yesterday, the best 2 minutes, was when the apocalypse is here! The apocalypse is here. The birds know. The birds always know first. I met these 3 girls, and they came over. One came over and asked me, "Are you one of those people who believe in green lizards?" And I was like, no, I'm not, and that's not even the fucking point. I'm one of those people who believes that when a virus not yet been identified affects 4 people out of 100,000, it's not a fucking pandemic. She didn't hear me because of my strong accent, and she kept going, "Are you one of those people who believe in green lizards?" And I say, "Okay, Marco, just keep walking." See, this girl, you might think, she's just a crazy one. No, she's not alone. See, since scientific facts are proving over and over that we've been scammed by our own government, if we say that, we are conspiracy theorists. We are people who believe in aliens, apparently. No aliens was mentioned yesterday. Reptilians, no reptilian was mentioned yesterday. New World Order, call it the way you want. Some people are benefiting from this crisis. Some people are benefiting from lockdown, like a lot. We are talking about billions of dollars, pounds, euros, whatever. But we are just the crazy ones. And I'm telling you what, history is not made by the majority of people. History is made by 10-20% of the population, the crazy ones. So enjoy your little walk in London, enjoy your beliefs. If you think there is a deadly virus around, please wear a mask, respect social distancing, and don't forget your gloves. And that's it.